What's cracking, y'all? Indie Amplify 2.0 is here. 2.0, let's go, baby! The site is new and improved. It's better than ever. It's live right now. Make sure you go there and check it out. Cue the sizzle reel. This weekend, we launched a new Indie Amplify website with an enhanced user dashboard to make the communication and delivering of services as easy as possible. Now people who are requesting services from our professionals will be able to communicate directly with them through their user dashboard. Another feature that I am super excited to talk about is that you no longer have to pay until your request is accepted. This will enable people to feel a lot more comfortable requesting services and will just improve the overall user experience. Every time we add new artists, they will show up in the new talent box. Don't miss out on our blogs, as we will keep you updated in everything happening in the music industry. Our merch store is better than ever and we ship anywhere in the world. You see the mother-freaking drip. We have so many more great things to come, so many more things to add onto this website. I'm beyond excited to keep giving you guys the best tools for independent musicians. Sheesh!